स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नॉलेज विद फायजा। आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज टाइप्स ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस. So how many types of osmosis are in the two types? That first is endosmosis and second is exosmosis. So before you wasting of time, let's get started. The osmotic movement of solvent in a cell depends upon the external condition. Okay, so depends upon external condition. So first type is endosmosis. If the cell is placed in a hypotonic solution, water from outside will enter into the cell by the process is known as endosmosis. Hypotonic solution. What is hypotonic solution? The solute is more and solvent is less amount. So it's the hypotonic solution. Okay. So अब ये इंडोस्मोसिस होता है ये प्रोसेस. अब उसके बाद सेकंड इज एक्सोस्मोसिस. इफ़ द सेम सेल इज प्लेस्ड इन अ हाइपरटोनिक सोल्यूशन. हाइपरटोनिक सोल्यूशन में सॉल्वेंट ज़्यादा होता है, सॉल्यूट कम होता है. So then water from cell will come out into the external solution is called as exosmosis. Okay. But if a cell placed in an isotonic solution, there will be no entry exit or entry of water. So the process of osmosis closely related to osmotic pressure, turgor pressure and diffusion pressure deficit. Okay, is the OP related to and TP and DPD. तो what is the ये osmotic pressure, ये टर्गर प्रेशर एंड डिफ्यूज़न प्रेशर. आगे हम देख चुके हैं कि ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर क्या है. इसके बाद हम ये आगे आने वाले लेक्चर्स में देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ टर्गर प्रेशर एंड डीपीटी क्या है. So the absorption of water in almost all plants depends upon osmosis, which is known as osmotic absorption. It is also known as active absorption of water. Okay. So in these figures we can say easily understand the endosmosis and exosmosis. The figure A तो is the example of resins are in there. So the when dry grapes यानी resins kept in a water, they absorb water from outside and they become swollen like this. They become swollen. This phenomena is called as endosmosis. And thus the resins and in dry grapes swell due to the phenomenon of endosmosis. On the other hand, in fresh grapes में ये fresh grapes है और ये dry grapes है. तो the fresh grapes is placed in a concentration, a concentrated sugar solution. Then and of higher concentration grapes shrunken हो जाते हैं वो. And this phenomena is known as exosmosis. Okay, this is the whole about of all types of osmosis like endosmosis and exosmosis. So I hope you understand all the concepts of endosmosis and exosmosis and with examples resins and dry grapes as well as respectively. Okay, so आपको अगर अच्छा लगे तो कमेंट करिए and forget to share with your friends and hit the bell icon button and the like button and also subscribe to my channel Knowledge with Faiza and also follow me on Instagram and join my Telegram channel. So link in the description box. Bye bye, take care. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियोज़ में. तब तक से गुड बाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.